I'm excited to share ways to make some extra money using Amazon with you today. Whether you're here to learn something new, gain a new perspective, or just enjoy some entertainment, I'm grateful that you've chosen to spend your time with me. Selling products on Amazon. You can create a seller account on Amazon and sell products through the platform. This can be done by selling products that you manufacture or by sourcing products from wholesalers or other retailers. Amazon Affiliate Program. You can join the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, and earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your website or blog. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, you earn a percentage of the sale. Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can earn money by completing tasks through Amazon Mechanical Turk. These tasks can include data entry, transcription, and surveys. Amazon Handmade. If you are an artist or craftsman, you can sell your handmade goods on Amazon Handmade. This is a marketplace specifically for handmade goods. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can publish your own books through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties on the sales. Amazon Merch. You can design and sell your own custom t-shirts through Amazon Merch. Amazon FBA. If you have a product to sell, you can use Amazon's FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, program to store your products in Amazon's warehouses and have Amazon handle the shipping and customer service. Thanks for watching.